It often happens that we need to export subtitles as a Word or Excel file. For example, you might want to send the subtitles as a Word document for your client to proofread and make adjustments or comments. Or perhaps you'd like to send them as an Excel file to be translated by someone who doesn't use subtitling software. Let's take a look at how we do that. Here we have an Easy Titles project with all the subtitles. Let's start by exporting as a Word document. In the Export dialog box, we choose Standard Formats, then RTF Doc. If we click here on the Config button, we can choose which elements will be exported. We'll exclude colors and formatting so that the text color is black. Now let's save the file. We can choose between RTF, Doc, or DocX. Let's open the exported file. You can see we have the subtitles with all the relevant information. This is a very user-friendly and presentable way to show this information. Now let's export the same project as an Excel workbook. Again, we can click on Config to specify the timecode format and include features such as subtitle numbers and colors. Let's export this and see what it looks like. Let's open the Excel workbook. Now you can send this file to be imported elsewhere. Or perhaps someone can use the next column to make notes or to translate the subtitles. We can also import these files as long as they're in the same format. For example, we'll take our Word file and make a slight change to the text. Now I'll import it to Easy Titles. There. Everything's here, including the change we made. Let's do the same with the Excel file. We'll change something in the second subtitle. Now we'll re-import it. Here we need to specify the timecode format, which is the one that's already selected. And done. It's all here, including the change we made.